hey, look, I just got this. It's GIY. It's like DIY, but it's grow your own. I know, you guys are super clever. But it's like it's a mushroom kit where you can make your own whatever. So they have lampshade stuff you can make. They basically just send you inoculated stuff. And I don't know, it's really cool though. And you basically take that and purchasing mushroom, grow your own mushroom kit, and then they get you a sticker too, I guess, and some bags. So you got to check them out. It's Ecovative, very nice. GIY, check it out. I'm gonna make some fun stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna make. Maybe like a mushroom phone case. That might be kind of weird. But basically, it's like it molds itself to whatever you have. So if you have, you make your own cast, and then you create it and it grows, like you can actually, that's so cool. I'm so excited. All right, try it out yourself. I'll let you know how it goes. Bye-bye.